In a bright green jungle filled with tall trees, colorful flowers, and singing birds, there lived a young elephant named Elle. Elle was big and strong, but she was also very shy. While other elephants splashed loudly in the river and trumpeted proudly, Elle liked to stay quiet. But Elle had something very special. She had the best ears in the whole jungle. She could hear leaves falling, ants walking, and even the whisper of the wind. Still, Elle thought quietly to herself, "I'm too quiet. Maybe I'm not important." Every year, the animals celebrated the Great Jungle Festival. Monkeys practiced dancing, parrots practiced singing, lions roared to the beat of the drums. Elle watched from far away. "I wish I could help, but what can I do?" One morning, something terrible happened. The great jungle drum was gone. Monkey: "Oh no, the drum is missing." Parrot: "How will we start the festival?" Lion: "The jungle needs its rhythm." All the animals searched everywhere, but the drum was nowhere to be found. Elle stood very still. Tap, tap, thump. Ellie's ears moved. "Elle, I hear something." She listened carefully. Then Elle took a deep breath. "Elle, I think I know where the drum is." The jungle went quiet. All the animals looked at Elle. Tortoise: "Then lead us, Elle." Elle walked through tall grass, thick vines, and dark trees. At last, they reached a small cave. Inside sat a baby rhinoceros named Rico. Rico's secret. Rico: "I'm sorry, I took the drum. I just wanted to play music too, but no one ever asked me." Elle stepped forward gently. "You don't have to be loud to belong. You're important too." Together, they carried the drum back to the jungle. The festival begins. That night, the Great Jungle Festival began. Monkeys danced happily, parrots sang joyfully, lions roared with pride. And Elle played the drum. Her rhythm filled the jungle. Everyone cheered. Animals together. "Elle! Elle!" Elle smiled. She finally understood. Being quiet didn't mean she was weak. It meant she listened, and listening was her strength. From that day on, Elle was never afraid to use her voice, and the jungle was happier than ever. The end.